Capitol Theatre is a heritage treasure of Singapore. This being a neoclassical architectural building, there were many beautiful parts of the building and hall that we couldn't drill into or touch. And therefore, we worked relentlessly with the D&B EAS team to achieve the best method to install this safely and for sonic excellence.
We have been following the same D&B workflow for the past few decades, starting from the requirements and application to the simulation within ArrayCal. So within ArrayCal, we are able to draw an accurate 3D model of this venue and also including the flexible seating system. This allows us to prepare the correct array processing settings to accommodate for the different seating configurations. Other than array processing, we have utilized the XSL line array over here, which actually features the broadband directivity control with low frequency cardioid behavior. This gives us a huge benefit over any indoor venues with acoustical challenges. Also very interesting over here is we see an integration between different series within the D&B portfolio. So we have the SL series installed as the main left, center, right. We also have fields from the XS series, namely the AS as the front fields and as well as the delay fields. We have 10SDs as the delay fields as well over here. All of them are able to integrate seamlessly, whether is it in terms of operation, in terms of tonality, they are working as a whole system.
There was a lot of positive feedback from everyone, the concert goers, the performers themselves, the AV team here as well. They were so impressed with the crisp and the clarity, and they were so happy with the coverage. We really look forward to more world-class performances happening right here at Capitol Theatre.